Here we are, North Las Vegas at the Petro. So because we don't have gym go to on a regular basis and a lot of stuff like that, we're gonna do a nice little walk to Walmart and back again. So it's about 8.5 miles, 8.6 miles there. So we're gonna have a good, nice little workout on our way to Walmart this morning. You know, just have a good old-fashioned hike. So the loveliness that is North Las Vegas, all the construction that's going on. If I was a little bit closer to the mountains, it'd be nicer. We got some snow-capped mountains out that way. I guess that's west. I'm walking pretty much southward right now. So, enjoying the walk. It's like 41 degrees right now. T-shirt and shorts. Little chilly, but not too bad. No wind blowing. Sky has some high clouds and contrails, but the sun is blazing. Be about 61, 62 today. But with the exercise I'm doing, it's going to feel a little bit warmer than that. So, but it'll be good exercise. You know, it's about 3 hours to Walmart walking at a leisurely pace. I'm not trying to, not trying to win any races here, so just enjoying a nice long walk, getting a bit of exercise, which I don't get enough of as a truck driver. So we'll see what we see along the way. Maybe a good couple of pictures now and again, but you know, who knows. So here we are on Craig Road, still on our nice little walk to Walmart. It's a nice day. I mean, it's only around 52, 53 degrees right now. Another 5-10 degrees warmer by afternoon. You know, just getting my exercise in. See, it's about almost 10 miles to the nearest Walmart. And then, of course, 10 miles back. You know, not the prettiest scenery around. I mean, you got the mountains up in the distance and, you know, an occasional tree that looks halfway decent, but it's pretty, unfortunately, it's dirty, it's dry. I mean, looking at, you know, blah, gray, beige, brown, you know, squared off buildings. You know, just not appealing, you know, visually, so makes the walk a little bit less enjoyable, but getting the exercise, I'll take that. You know, so we'll take a little break once we get to the Walmart, get a nice big bottle of water. But definitely getting the exercise today, you know, feels really good. So basically we're right next to Nellis Air Force Base. This is the housing area right here. But overall, not too bad of a morning. You know, it's not raining, it's not blistering hot. I mean, it is January the 20th. So it's not too bad of a time to be walking, you know, this kind of distance. But definitely enjoying the walk. Here we are on West East Craig Road. And right here is the X ramp, the southbound exit ramp on I-15, getting onto Craig Road. See across the bridge and down a ways. See the center of Las Vegas. So we're still walking to the Walmart. Okay, North Las Vegas. At the Petro still. It's Sunday. It is just a little after, about 20 minutes after 10 o'clock in the evening. We are taking a rescue load off another driver who somehow doesn't have the hours to get this load where it needs to go. Why he accepted the load, I don't know. If he's only got 2 hours, it's only gaining 5 and 3, something like that, over the next couple days, you know, just some real low number he's regaining. Why he took the load, I don't know. But that's neither here nor there. So earlier this morning, around 9 o'clock a.m., they called me and, you know, asked me if I would, you know, if I could take that load. I said yes. You know, my 34 was pretty much already up, you know, and the load needs to get there, so I said okay. So, you know, did my 4-hour walk over to Walmart, did what I wanted to do, got an Uber back, or a Lyft back. About an hour after I got back, I called him, we did the swap, traded the equipment, blah, 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 blah. You know, got everything I need. I got my bills of lading. I got, you know, got all the equipment swapped the equipment that he left on the trailer, tarp, straps, bungees. Gave him the stuff that I had to, you know, make sure he had, you know, a full complement of stuff. Excuse me. So we're going to leave here. We're basically going to head straight down 15 to Calnevari in about 90 miles. We're going to do a load check there. And that'll take us all the way down to, you know, through the very eastern part of California, basically almost right on the border with Arizona. You know, that back road we took that one time going up to Seattle. You know, US 95. Take that straight down to I-10 and take I-10 all the way across into Phoenix, to the east side of Phoenix over into Mesa. We're supposed to be there by 7 o'clock. We need, going this route, we need just 7 hours. So I'm leaving about an hour earlier, a little over an hour earlier than necessary, hour and a half, or actually 2.5 hours earlier. But since we're going to lose an hour going into mountain time out of Pacific, you know, we need that extra hour, so we only have, you know, just enough time to get there. But since we're going to spend most of our time driving in the dark and at night, we're not going to have a whole lot of traffic to deal with. I turn my Christmas lights off. There we go. So we're going to get on the road. Not going to be a whole lot of filming for this trip. Now basically just got a load of styrofoam, 7,400 pounds of styrofoam. So, you know, 3 tarps on it. Just driving in through the night, not my favorite thing to do, but we'll get it done.